see the tragedy of life? Can you see Kalidasa has become a head of a religion? Kanakadasa is the head of a religion. He wanted to end the religion. He wanted no religion, no caste. Can you see a greater tragedy than this? Buddha never wanted a religion. Jesus Christ never wanted a religion. Osho never wanted a religion. Then Patriji, no, but it changes. Ramakrishna Paramahamsa didn't even know other than Bengal Bhasha, okay, Bangla. He didn't know even English, Hindi, nothing. Vivekananda became his mouthpiece. Okay. He spoke the Western language. He studied the missionary model and brought it back. And I think the Chinmaya mission is also somewhere. I think very few institutions are not personality based. Okay? They are not depending on this personality, that personality. No. They are based on certain values and concepts. You got it? X goes, Y comes. Y goes, the PQR will come. So there is nothing that I had it, you had it, no. So it's a great vision of Ramakrishna Paramahamsa. He created a mission, okay, RK mission, and today you see how much of work they are doing, RK mission. Patriji has a vision. He has created a mission called Pyramid Society Spiritual Movement. You got it? We are all teaching meditation. I may be an engineer, she may be a housewife, he may be a software engineer, you may be a student. You can student, you can teach others. Nobody stops. Nobody can stop you from teaching meditation. Okay? When you learned, you are there for so many years, teach others. Patriji's model is so simple. आपने मेडिटेशन सीखा है, 10 साल से कर रहे, दूसरों को सिखाओ ना. You have learned meditation, teach others. How long you are going to sharpen the what is that pencil? Istemal karo, right? Then a blunt, give me. How long you are going to sharpen the knife? Use it, then sharpen. Use it, then sharpen. Dhyan prachar karo, dhyan karo. There is a danger, please understand. Those who are in dhyan prachar, they don't do meditation. That's again problem. They should also do meditation. Okay, so it's simple. I do my meditation. I teach meditation. I'm teaching meditation for the last 10 years. But I have not left my job. I'm a builder still. My wife is an architect. We have our own profession. We still have family. We still live like any other householder. I'm not a sannyasi. So don't listen to the people. Only the spirituality is needed after 60 years. Okay? What they are all religious people. Okay? They are all religious people. Bhajans, havans, mantra, havana. Okay? That is a different concept. Fine. That's a part of our Samskriti. Great. Keep it one side. But here what you are looking at is beyond rituals, beyond words, beyond all these things. Okay? You got it? You are going to realize the divinity within you means you have to rise above all this. I have gone to Ayyappa for 15 times. Not one time, 15. In 1994 I started. In 2012 I went there last time, but I didn't go last year. With what intention I used to go in the initial stage was totally different. What intention now I go is totally different. Now I go as a spiritual cleansing. I don't have to prove it to anybody. I don't have to prove it to the world. I don't have to. I'm doing for myself. Ayyappa is not sitting in Shabarimala easier. I said Bakhya, Antarika. Both fine. Go to Ayyappa with love. Don't go out of fear. No, Madida Papa, Lakshamaspudo. No. Go out of love. People tell, I'm a very God-fearing person. Daiva Bhaya idare, Daiva Mere Bhaya. Devar Mere Bhaya na. ನೀವು ಭಕ್ತಿ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಪ್ರೀತಿ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. Don't be a God-fearing person. Be a God-loving. Okay. That's all. All the great masters are told, and Patriji is telling. And if you want your life to be a meaningful one, you can have to adopt these values. Simple. Okay. There's nowhere you can go and learn some Brahmajnana. No. There's nothing kind Brahmajnana. Okay. Brahmajnana is here. There's nothing. Brahmajnana is not in the books only. Sri Krishna said, Arjuna karmanye vadikaraste mahaphaleshu kadachana. That means he's a psychotherapist. As a counselor, he handled a person who is in confusion. Okay? ಅಯೋಮಯ ಸ್ಥಿತಿಯಲ್ಲಿದ್ದಾಗ ಅರ್ಜುನನ್ಗೆ ಕೃಷ್ಣ ಕೌನ್ಸಿಲಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ. ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಯುದ್ಧರಂಗದಲ್ಲಿ. ಅದು ಭಗವದ್ಗೀತೆ. That's theory. Are you practicing it? Karmanye vadikaraste mahaphaleshu kadachana. Are you practicing it? The student is writing examination, the parents are tensed about results. You are putting that person, that boy or girl, your daughter or son, to so much of confusion, so much of stress because they have to get this much marks. Their focus will be on results, they never on their work. What is the use of knowing the karmanye vadikaraste? There's no point. So people know about a lot of things, but they don't practice. Best thing is practice what you know. Live the way you talk the way you live. Okay. Got it? When you write, ನೀವು ಬದುಕದಂಗೆ ಬರೀರಿ, ಬರ್ದಂಗೆ ಬದುಕಿ. Not just I want to write a good article, I have written 2 books. That doesn't mean that I am become a master. I should live like this. Okay? Then only I am a real Zen master. Not just I have written this book for others. No. I have to live what I have written. I have to live the way I have written. Then only I am a right master. If I only tell others to do it, not you don't follow, no. Problem with our parents is the same thing. They don't live, but they expect their children to follow. You don't meditate, but you expect your children to meditate. How is it possible? How is it possible? ನೀವು ಧ್ಯಾನ ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಮಾತ್ರ ಮೆಡಿಟೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾ? ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ. They will not do it. You don't advise, you do it. They'll follow. If at all not today, tomorrow they'll follow. Okay. Got it? So in the end, to end on the Zen story, ಇಬ್ಬರು ಝೆನ್ ಮಾಸ್ಟರ್ಸ್ಗಳು ನದಿ ಕ್ರಾಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ. ಒಂದು ಚೇಳು, ಸ್ಕಾರ್ಪಿಯನ್, ವಾಸ್ ಡ್ರೌನಿಂಗ್ ಇನ್ ಟು ದ ವಾಟರ್. One Zen master took that scorpion and kept it under the shore. It kachita. Again the water started coming, it again went off into the water. Water became more. Again he plucked, again it burned, again he came. It happened 3 times. The other Zen master said, are you gone out of your mind? You know the nature of scorpion is to bite. ಚೇಳನ್ನ ಯಾಕಪ್ಪ ಉಳಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ ನೀರಿಂದ? ಅದ್ರ ಸ್ವಭಾವ ಗೊತ್ತು ತಾನೆ, ಕಚ್ಚುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ. He said beautifully, I know the nature of scorpion is to bite, but my nature is to save. ಚೇಳು ಕಚ್ಚುತ್ತೆ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಅದು ಸ್ವಭಾವ, ನನ್ನ ಸ್ವಭಾವ ಬದುಕಿಸೋದು ಬೇರೆಯವ್ರನ್ನ. This is the message. It's somewhere. Life is not a one-day affair. Okay, it's a long innings we have. If you can live one day beautifully, you will be the next day also beautifully. Up and down, profit, loss, it is not in your hands. I said past is a history, future is a mystery. You don't know what is there for you on 10th of July, okay? You don't know what is going to happen. You can plan, you can learn from your mistake, but you can't spoil your present just for the sake of past, future, okay? Give a big hand to Zen. 5 minutes we'll meditate and leave. Anybody who has any questions, you ask one or two. Any. Now, fast. No questions?
I'd ask you about that chakras. These do exist in our body, or these are creation of our mental?
What?
This chakra system you say now. So is it just a creation in our mind that these things exist, or really they exist? Like they exist?
The chakras is a different subject, okay? I'll tell about 10 seconds. In Hindu, from the call of Sanatana Dharma, we have aware of the chakras, okay? In Ashtanga Yoga, everything is a pure science. There's nothing that, It starts with Muladhara, Swadhisthana, Manipuraka, Anahata, Vishuddha, Ajna. It is there. It is there. The Anahata below is animalistic, okay? Procreation, fear, okay? Roti, kapda, makan. Everybody wishes that. Naam, money. Why you want money? Fear of future. Manipura. Fear. Why you want jnana? That's why you want jnana. Because you want job. Vishuddha, the Anahata is little higher. That is about love, care, love, compassion. Vishuddha, I am speaking to you. Vishuddha is active. Intuition, Ajna. Sahasrara is the one. So it is real. When you meditate, it becomes active. Which chakra is important? All chakras are important. I am not telling. In the name of, in the monk or something, they will suppress so many people. They suppress. They express awareness. Okay. So it is better to balance all the chakras. That is why we are asking you to do 1 hour every day, not 24 hours. No, correct? You will achieve your sahasrara first, but what you will become? Can you feel like a Buddha? Please go ahead. If you want to become a Buddha, please do it. If you want to be in samsara, you cannot do it. You got it? If you want to be in samsara, you have to balance. Buddha, that's why he devised beautifully, because he was a samsari, then he became a sannyasi. He knew what a samsari needed it. This much meditation is enough. That's why he said. Patriji also said. How you eat, take bath, meditate. समझ गया? You contact me later. We'll talk about chakras because this is out of this talk. Okay. Anybody? One more question.
It's related to chakra only. So through meditation, the chakras will be active, is it? So,
Yeah.
So the meditation is like, be aware of your inhalation and exhalation.
Yeah, that's it. That is Anapanasati meditation. See, one more thing is, if you want to get confused, you can go and learn other techniques, because I have learned 108 techniques of meditation. In Vijnana Bhairava Tantra, there is 108. Osho found out some 5, 6, 7 meditation, like dynamic meditation, mystic role, Sufi dance, gibberish. Okay, so many meditations are. Tea meditation, Tantra, all those are formed by Osho. Among all the meditation, this is the very accepted, good. Do that. I'm not telling don't do it, don't dance. Dancing is a meditation. See what happens, while you dance, okay, not out of ego you dance. The dancer should disappear. Only dance should remain. You become one. Bhakta Chaitanya is called. Now it has become commercial. That is not here. That is commercial. So you are. Dance is a form of meditation. Sufis, they dance, whirling dance. Have you seen Sufis doing this? Whirling.
Yeah.
Whirling meditation. Every cell of your body just dance. No Prem Kumar at that time. No Rajesh. No identities. All dissolved. Okay? Only dance. If you sing, no singer, song. When you play, only the music. When you walk, the walker should disappear, only walk should be there. When you speak, there is no speaker, only the speech. When you listen, no listener, only what? Only the concept. What problem with it? You are listeners. I have heard this story somewhere else. I think he has taken from this book. I think yes. This was beautiful. That. So before it reaches you, you start analyzing my talk. Is that it? Where is the receiving? It doesn't get going. So remove all that. No filters. Remove. Become open. You can learn from a baby also. Okay? Innocence of a baby. Dattatreya had 24 gurus. Gota nahi? He had 24 gurus, Dattatreya. Some of them are like Jenu, B. What Jenu does, he goes to all the flowers, picks up the goes and converts it. Loka Kalyana, Kaltul. B does such a great Loka Kalyana work of pollination. Paragasparshatil Kadalane. You can learn from mother. Your mother is so loving. Why don't you become like mother? Baby is so innocent. River doesn't complain, it just goes. Okay? Have you seen river complaining? Fall, up, down, it just goes. Its only job is to reach ocean, that's all. Moda, cloud, it doesn't remain, it also goes. Our thoughts also like that, it goes. From a dog, you can learn from a dog loyalty of a dog. Are you loyal as a dog? He had 24 gurus. You can learn from anybody. Don't worry about chakras too much. Please, just meditate. It's too young to know all this higher knowledge. When time comes, you'll know. Okay? Any more doubts, sir? Okay. Shall we end? Anything you have to ask?
I had some
Past.
own,
Because we
just,
started at 11.
no, it's just own personal problem. I just want to talk after.
Okay. So, masters, we'll end in 2 minutes. And we started with meditation. We'll end it with 2 minutes meditation. Ending. Just close your eyes.